Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Quick Pick video. This week's Quick Pick is Las Vegas Sands, that's LVS. And if you wanted a larger subtitle is Macau Gaming, best way to play China. And it's either a question mark or an exclamation point. I'd say an exclamation point today. China is clearly reaccelerating. The news basically out of China from economic people in the government is that they're going to hit 5% growth with no problem in the current quarter. And they may in fact be able to not put as much stimulus into the economy and save it for the future. Economy's reopening, growth is up. Macau, I think, as a gaming center has the advantage of it doesn't have all of the other problems that are in China. There's no question of it's basically a pure COVID reopening story without worries about exports, etc. So here's gaming revenue from Macau. This is from all the casinos in Macau. Was up 247% year to year in March. And that was followed by an April where gaming revenue rose 450% year over year. Now, my favorite way to play Macau has been MGM Resorts International. The problem at this moment is if you're looking for a way to play China gaming, is that MGM has this huge presence in Las Vegas. They're the biggest operator of hotels and casinos there, which means that whatever results you get out of Macau are really diluted by what's happening in Vegas. So therefore, my quick pick today is Las Vegas Sands, which really doesn't have the Las Vegas presence. In fact, it's in the process of selling its Las Vegas assets and moving that money into more investments in Macau and Singapore, where it's both got casinos and an increasingly large presence. So look at the chart. So you can see that the stock has really started to take off lately, and that's basically on the great numbers out of Macau. I still think we're looking, Macau is about 66% of EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. So it's really heavily weighted that way. It's going to be more heavily weighted as it gets rid of the Las Vegas assets and moves more into Asia, Singapore, and Macau. So this is, I think, from my point of view, the best place to put your money if you're interested in playing China, as well as a certain part of the gaming. It doesn't have the kind of online betting exposure that MGM does. So this is more a pure play on China reacceleration, and that's why I like it. I'm going to be adding it to the JubakPicks portfolio after this video is posted. Thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free. That way you get notification of when we do the next one. Also free, my free site, it's free. It's JubakPicks.com. That's got 3 portfolios, including the JubakPicks portfolio that this stock will go into, and usually 1-2 posts a day. Or you can go to my paid site, JubakAM.com, which has got 6 portfolios instead of 3, usually 3, 4, 5 posts a day. And we do some options and ETFs and more volatility plays there suited for this market. So thanks very much for watching.